Kung Cinemartyrs yung cheese, Cinemalaya yung mousetrap, at Cinephile yung daga, patay na ako ngayon. First of all, this film feels like an academic film. Well, of course, in a sense na ang dami niyang nire-reference na you may or may not understand immediately. Kasi it encompasses a broad scope eh. Para baga research paper na ang daming citation. If anything, kung ako film teacher tapos bored ako, papagawan ko kayo ng essay about Cinemartyrs eh. First question, what is the importance of Love Diaz and Kidlat Tahimik in the movie? Second question, who are the foundational women in cinema? Third question, what is the incident that they tried to replicate in the movie? And why is it still relevant until today? Yung ganung mga tanong. Sabi nila, Cinemartyrs is a love letter to Philippine cinema. Pero personally, I think it's more of a tribute to the forgotten pioneers. And it's interesting to see how everything is presented to us in Cinemartyrs. Kasi it just shows you that we should never forget about these founders. In my opinion, Cinemartyrs is unique in a sense that the more you dig deep into it, the more you will appreciate it. So, it's understandable if hindi siya ma-appreciate from a first watch basis or for a common audience kasi it's not really made for the mainstream. They say circle jerk daw for filmmakers and cinephiles. But arguably, how can you make a film about appreciating film and celebrating film if not for glorifying it and presenting it to the audience like that? Sa ano pa lang to the visuals changing mediums, yung mixed media approach, and yung commentary niya on filmmaking, particularly towards women filmmakers. So to be perfectly transparent sa aking bias, I have a personal inclination towards this film. And I do acknowledge na may nagsasabi na pacing is off and there's no traditional story structure. Pero personally, I felt that it added to my experience na hindi ko alam kung saan ako mapupunta in the story, especially because hindi ko inalam yung plot details beforehand. People might not like it dahil nga sa non-traditional approach niya. It's not mainstream, it's more experimental, and I think this film captures yung Cinemalaya energy. So ang score ng Cinemartyrs ay